Good Friday, and welcome to our part two of e-learning lessons. We took a look at Snagit and how that can help your classrooms to video your screen and record your screen. And so today we're going to take a look at a really cool app or website called Edpuzzle. And Edpuzzle, you go to edpuzzle.com, and basically what it is a way to incorporate questions in a video that you might have your students to watch. And so today what we'll do is I'll give you an example of what one looks like, show you how to set one up, and there's also an Edpuzzle extension that makes it really easy to go from YouTube video to your directly to a YouTube video to Edpuzzle. So kind of might be a little bit longer today, so bear with us. So today, go ahead and what you want to do is click on edpuzzle.com and then go ahead and sign up. I have already logged in, so I'm going to go ahead and log in. I'll show you what this is. So I'm a teacher, and you can use your Google login. What's nice is this Edpuzzle also ties into Canvas and Google Classroom, so you can do both. Makes it really easy to incorporate. So click on that. Gives a little second, and I have multiple classes because I used it when I was teaching when I was in the science classroom, and then also now that I teach outdoor education, we also use it in there. So you do have some that are already made up, and you can go through those. On this side, you'll see the content. You can go with my content, which is what I have done. So you'll kind of see different things that I have done. Matter of fact, this is what I used to do for my e-learning lessons. And then you can also go to popular channels. So Edpuzzle, YouTube. These right here are popular channels that you can use your Edpuzzles for. So if I go to my classes, and you can see this is what we did for my class. So we did a North American model of wildlife conservation. So Brady Jones and I did this one together. So you can click on it, and you will see where they have the questions and the students' names. And then if we take a look at the questions that I asked, you can see the different questions. And on the side here, you will see as the video goes on, that's where the questions were asked. You can see some of them did okay, some of them didn't. They'll have change of color, shows the number out, or correct, or right, or something like that. You can prevent skipping, so you can be able to set it up where they do not have, they can't skip, they've got to keep going. So they can't just bounce around from question to question. They have to do it in order. I like that. I like that option. You can also see their grades if you wanted to you can have a grade book in here. You'll make up your own classes. So, maybe you want one class to do it and not the other classes. You can do all kinds of different options with that. So basically what you are going to do is you want to create, you're going to create a video and insert questions. So this might give you a little idea what it can look like. So we press play, and the video will come on. And here are your questions that you have. And you can see right here, this is what they have to choose from. Okay, so this is what the video would look like. And we can fast forward it to our first question. You can rewind it if they wanted to. So that's kind of nice because if they get to the question, they want to rewind it. Okay, so that's what it will look like, and then we'll wait for the first 42 seconds, kind of show you a little bit of what it looks like in terms of when the first question pops up. And so this is what your kids would see. All right. So there you go. So here would be your first question right here. Okay. You can click on the rewatch. You can, once you press your answer, you press submit, and that gives you the answer. Okay. So that's kind of what it looks like in terms of what the video starts like. And then it's a 6-minute video. So, and I have some questions in there. Okay. So let's just see what it's like to create one. All right, so I'm going to go to my classes, and I am going to kind of step back a little bit. There is a class code that you can put up on the board, and the kids can enroll themselves individually also. So it gives you a due date, and then it can also give you the students that you might want to just give it to. All right. So let's go ahead and set up. Let's go ahead and we're going to add some content. So we're going to create a video. Okay. So maybe you didn't want to use one of these. You want to use one from YouTube. All right. So you might go back to my content, and you are going to add a video. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to go to YouTube. So I'm going to go to YouTube. So I head over to YouTube, and I want to find a video on say the 7 pillars of wildlife. Conservation. So I click on this, and I kind of just take a look at all the different videos, and we're going to let's see, pick one out here. Let's see. Boom. This is the one I want to watch this one. Obviously, it's 36 minutes long. You know, you can shorten it or whatever you want to do. So you take this, you take the link, right click, and copy it, then go back to Edpuzzle, and then you want to upload a video. So you're gonna come over and choose a file. Oh, cancel there. Create a video. Scroll down. Yeah. I'm gonna do it off of YouTube. Right click, paste it, and boom. There we go. So there's what I got right there. So then what you can do is you can start, if you want to crop the video or whatever you want to do, that's up to you, but you press play, and you're going to have a little dot down here. click on quizzes, because now what you'll be able to do is when you press on quizzes, you'll be able to answer you'll be able to create a question. All right, so maybe I want to answer my first question. So then I type in a question. You can open-end them, you can have multiple choice, you can have comments if you wanted to. What I normally do for a quiz, which that's the assignment you want to do, you could say, what part of Canada is the video from? Then you put down your choice, Ontario, come down here, Indiana, and then maybe add another answer if you want, Ohio. So then what you'll do is you'll press save. Notice the check mark right here. You press save, okay? And then press continue. And there is your question right there. All right? So then, maybe I'm done now. Finish. Okay? So then it'll ask you where you want to sign to. Or you can press later. Okay? So then, since that is done, all right, so it'll go back to my classes, and you have one that you're waiting for, and that's, you can come back to it. So that's it right there. All right, so now let's go ahead and see how we can make it a little bit easier. There's actually an extension on here. So if you go to, just type in Edpuzzle extension, it'll take you right to here. Add Chrome. So I'm going to add that to Chrome, and then I'm going to add the extension. Let me show you what's kind of cool. Okay, so if I go to YouTube, so waiting for YouTube to pop up here. Maybe you want to learn about right here. So if you notice, edit in Edpuzzle. I'm going to click on that. I can edit, and it takes you right to Edpuzzle. And it takes you right to where you can, right where we were at. And then you can just start watching the video. You can start your quiz, okay? Now, once you have saved it, so this video is in there, I haven't done anything with it. We can go over to Edpuzzle, back to where I was at, my classes. We talk about this one right here. All you'll have to do to assign it is it'll ask you at the end of setting up a due date, or excuse me, an assignment video. All you have to do is assign it. You have the link that you can choose from. Give them that code if you want, and they are good to go. You can embed this into Google Classroom. You can also do that with Canvas. So it's a really good video. a really good way to make your e-learning lessons a little more digital, a lot more digital. It also does all the grading for you. And so it's just kind of a nice way to check your kids' understanding and gives them something to do with their lesson. So hope this helps. I know it was a little bit longer, but a lot to take a look at when it comes to Edpuzzle. Hope you enjoy it. Hope you have a great weekend. Thank you very much.